Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to quickly talk you through Hubspot training. If you're watching this video, you probably come to this link and you're watching this video right here. I just want to show you exactly what's going to happen in the training. You're going to sign up here, use your email. This is going to allow me to send you updates, send you information, let you know when anything new's happened or anything that I think is relevant to you. I'm not going to abuse your email. I'm not going to send you lots of emails, but it just allows me to send you a message when something new's happened, right? I get it. I hate emails. I hate being sent stuff too, so I won't be sending you too much, right? So just sign in. It's going to take you to the forum, and it's going to ask you to create an account. So in the forum, just put your email in. Add a username. It'll tell you it's okay. I'll put Paul N and a password. Password I'm going to use. Okay, and create a new account. Right, that'll jump you in. It'll send you an activation email to your email. Here we go. So you'll get an activation. Just click the link to activate your account and continue to the forum, right? You're going to get a welcome message and just to say hello, things to do. Down the bottom here is Hubspot training, or you can just search Hubspot. It's effectively a forum, but then training broken out into different categories. So as more and more lessons arrive, as you ask me questions, I'll build out some new categories like for custom Q&A, for using Hubspot for whatever business you're in. You'll see in this category is official training, so official Hubspot videos where you can go through and learn. Watch introducing the Hubspot to Google AdWords. You can, obviously it's a forum, so you can reply. You can tag me in something if you want to ask me a question. So just do @Paul and then type in your question. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can come back to the Hubspot training and just click new topic and type in how do you import contacts in Hubspot. If you press escape, it'll show you what it's going to look like. That's what it's going to look like, and then just create a topic. I'll jump on that. In fact, you can tag me in it. But I will be able to see those questions, answer your questions, and hopefully give you some value on whatever you need. Hubspot training, and obviously in this forum, there's a lot of other things as well. Different areas, different categories. You may want to learn more than just Hubspot. And if you've got any questions, it's a full forum. Just dive in and ask. It's free to sign up. You'll see there's an advert on every page. That basically pays for the forum. When I create a video, there'll be an advert on the front of the video, and that'll pay a little bit towards the free training as well. So the more you dive in, the better. Jump in, sign up, ask questions, and we'll learn much more together. See you soon. Cheers.